Hello guys, I am Dheeraj Jain. Welcome to my YouTube channel called Mr. Financial Literate. Here we discuss about stock market, finance and news related to finance. The topic which we are going to discuss today is candlestick patterns. We are going to discuss about what is candlestick and why it is so important. So in this presentation we are going to know about the candlestick, the background of the candlestick, why is it so famous. We will be going to analyze the breakdown of the candlestick and what are the behavioral aspect of the candlestick. You might be having several doubts on the candlestick, like who invented it, why it is very famous and how to apply this candlestick in the real market. We are going to discuss about that right now. These candlesticks were invented by Japanese, so they are also called as Japanese candlestick. It is being used from past 200 years. The thing which they are famous for is the price action what they have in them. So it gives lot of information about the price of a particular day or week, or you can use this candlestick in any time frame. That is very special of this candlestick, that you can apply this candlestick in any time frame you need, even for 1 minute or 1 hour or even 1 month. So it has a huge significance in technical analysis. As mentioned in the presentation, candlesticks can be used to analyze stock, cryptocurrencies, commodity market and even currency market. If you understand candlesticks better, you can apply these candlesticks into almost all the market and you can trade in them. Next, we are going to discuss the information which is hidden in one single candlestick. So, if you look at the screen, I have one candlestick here. And the information what this candlestick has is open price, close price, high price and a low price. Candlestick has two components. One is the shadow of the candlestick and one more is called body of the candlestick. Body is formed between open price and close price, and the wicks are formed by the high price and the low price, as you can see in the screen. I'll just consider this candlestick as a candlestick for one day. Here, if you can see, the open price is somewhat here and the close price is below that. So this region of this candlestick is called as the body of the candlestick. And if you can see, there are two small lines here. These two lines shows the high price and the low price of that day. For example, during the day, during this trading session, the price has gone to some high point and it has come down. So this shadow signifies like what is the high point, and similarly this lower shadow signifies what is the lowest point which has marked by the candlestick for that particular day. And as mentioned earlier, you can use this candlestick in any time frame. For example, 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 week or 1 month, and you will get all the price movement for that particular time frame what you have applied. Next, we are going to discuss two different kind of candlestick. So if you look into this presentation, there are two different candles here, and the body of the candle is marked green, and whereas one more candle is marked as red. So what is the difference between these two candles? So here the red candle signifies that the open price was high, and during the course of the time the price has come down and settled to a lower price. But whereas green candle indicates that the open price was lower and the close price was higher. The green candle signifies here that the price has gone up, whereas the red candle signifies that the price has gone down. So with respect to the behavioral aspect of the candlestick, we can consider them as a bullish candlestick or bearish candlestick. In the presentation, I have given few examples like Marubozu candlestick and hammer candlestick. I'm not going to explain more about these candlesticks in this video because we are going to do a different video series on the different kind of candlesticks and what are all their behavioral aspect. So just stay tuned with us and subscribe our YouTube channel to know more about stock market.